front of me is Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to find and open Gallery app that's already on your Samsung. Then select Pictures, all albums at the bottom, and hold one of your pictures you wish to get rid of. Now to select multiple, click on top left corner on this little button. And as you can see, I have 18 files selected, photos and videos. To keep some of them, tap on the chosen ones. And to get rid of the rest, use Delete button at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up by tapping on Move to Recycle bin. As you can see, all of my selected photos were successfully deleted. If you deleted one by a mistake, you can always restore it from your bin. In order to do that, click on Menu at the bottom right corner of Gallery app. Click on Recycle bin over here. Hold one of your photos that you wish to restore, or click on multiple photos and choose Restore button at the bottom left corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!